Hello and welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. I want to start off with thanking everyone that has helped support the channel and that has helped us get to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. All the time, effort, everything. I really enjoy sharing what I think is cool and find interesting, the items I use, the tools I use, as well as the skills I've acquired over time. I really enjoy sharing that, and I really, really appreciate the time that you as the audience are putting in to watch these videos and watch the content and leave comments and feedback. So thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I wanted to give you some insight into where the channel was going. I look forward to continuing what I'm currently doing with some, with the cutting tests, incorporate a little bit more cooking. I mean, there wasn't really much. You just saw some food early on. However, that is something I want to continue getting back into. It's a passion of mine, cooking, that is. And so knives and cooking go hand in hand. So I also have an upcoming interview series, so I'll be interviewing content creators as well as individuals in the knife community, just exploring what brought them here, what made them stay, and where they look forward to the knife community going. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you want some more updates, and you should see some of that content here coming soon. Once again, thank you to everyone for all the support. I know we have 1,000, we're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, or we're going to be there any moment. And I do want to announce that we will be having a subscriber giveaway. I'll be hosting a giveaway to celebrate that milestone. And so stay tuned. Once again, subscribe and stay tuned to see what that will be. It'll be multiple knives, multiple pieces of equipment. I think it'll be extremely worth it. So thank you again for everyone. I really appreciate the support, and looking forward to seeing where this journey takes us. Carry your personality.